Namaste, hi guys, hi folks, I amigos. I am presenting you NAMRATH anything and everything. After all these videos, this is much more different. Yes, take off fact, top myths, all fake. The first myth: a penny dropped from the Empire State Building can kill a person on the sidewalk. Are you kidding me? It's a bad physics. It might hurt but won't kill anyone. The next one, it's all about toilet flushes. Yeah. It is said it spins different direction in southern hemisphere. Actually, it is the Gulf streams and hurricanes. It is due to Coriolis effect. What about lightning? It is said lightning never strikes the place twice, and it is also wrong. This one is also about something different. Mustard seed, and it is said mustard seed is the smallest seed, and that is also a wrong myth. This one will really test your senses. I am right. We have 5 senses, and it is a myth. Actually, we have 9. The other 4 are rarely cited, and they are proprioception, thermoception, equilibrioception, interoception. Yes, we have 9. Once again, we have 9, not 5. Goldfish. Yeah, there is a myth. Goldfish have 3 to 7 second memory, and it's a myth. Buddha, laughing Buddha, it's also a myth. Yes. 10th century Chinese folk hero Buddha is not laughing Buddha. It's a myth. What about bulb? Yeah, Edison light bulb. He did not invent, but rather produced first practical light bulb in 1880. Next one is all about assembly line. Yes, Ford's assembly line. Actually, did not invent automobile or assembly line, but Ford improved the process and sponsored the workers. This one is also a myth, and that is sunflowers face the sun. Yeah, flowering sunflowers point in one fixed direction, usually east, but only the young flowers, as they grow, they track the sun. Then they stay fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.